Howdy, I'm CyberAxe with Outlandishly Crafted, and today we're playing this fancy game. And what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to scan in a kitty and put it right here inside our game. Now, you could call this modding or not modding. It's not really modding because they built the features in the game, but it's still complex enough that some people are going to need a guide to figure out how to do it. So what we're going to do now is we are going to jump over to Chat GPT, and we're just going to have it render us a fluffy cat. And this is always hit or miss, but a lot of people will be like, wow, where am I going to get a cat image from, or blah, blah, blah. And you don't really want to just go take one from the internet. It's better if you just generate one. So let's see if this will work. Hopefully it'll work. Oh, it's going to take a while. Dang it. Let's see if we can get one from our asset site. So we want a kitty? I think we want a cat. I think if I do a kitty, it's going to do this. So we want a fluffy cat. Ooh, that's a good one. As far as I've been able to tell so far, the best time when it works is when it has a background. I originally started doing a ton of them without the background, and it seems like their scanner uses the background to be able to scan in what it's scanning. And so if you had a choice between like this image or this image and this image, I think this one will do better. So let's try it and see. And I pay for all of these. This is all paid stuff, so I have licenses for this stuff. But you could, like this, that's not a bad try. So there's a rendered version. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the game. Maybe. So we have our world, we have our person sleeping. We don't have to really worry about any of that stuff. And what we're going to do is we are going to, what are we going to do? We're going to go to build mode. And then in build mode, we're going to go to craft, and then 3D print, and then we're going to select our, which one should we do first? Let's do this one first. I'm going to select our kitty, and then we're going to wait. Now, if you watch the last, I did this live, and I'll make a few guides and different things. So, but while we're waiting, you can scan in videos for custom animations. You can put the cat like in the arms of your player. That's how I have the bong in there. So there we go. There's our kitty. A little shiny. They don't let us like control any of the material stuff, but not too shabby. I'm sure, yeah. It's not gonna be. If there's better tech coming that you upload like 3 images, like the size and stuff, and it'll be even better. But that's pretty damn good to start with. And then this one is when we set it on something. So you want to make sure that you get it where it looks good when it's sat, because that's where it's going to be on. We probably should call him a fatty cat, tabby cat. Okay, so now we have him. Oh, he's so big, but he's so cute. Look at him. Oh my god. Oh, he's rotated wrong. He's such a cutie. Okay, if you want to make him smaller or bigger, you can stretch him. Which we probably need to stretch him a lot. Yeah. Oh. Okay, too much. Can we... Yeah, I don't understand why the arrow's pointing that way. Okay, so make him a little thinner. It's because he's so close to the wall. Stretch him out this way. Okay. I mean, I kind of liked how big he was, but he looked pretty big. Now he looks really stretched. Okay, so now we have our kitty, though. And he just chills. Now, I don't think you can animate him or anything yet. I mean, we're in essence just cheating because you could do this with any object. Like, you could also have a sword that I scanned in, or you could have like an axe I scanned in, or you could have wings. Like, we could put... So it says you can't do it, but if you hold Alt, then it will let you do it. So like I hold Alt, and then it's like, okay, you can do that. So now, and the wings, I scan the wings in. Now this weird like snapping thing, turn these off, and then you can place it. Okay. So now I can take my axe. And the axe, we did the exact same thing. We went to GPT and we said, make a CyberAxe, right? And so now you have... Because I think a lot of people think, oh, this game's so cool. And it is, but I think that they're not even playing like... They're not even using all the this cool stuff, right? Because I think the cool part about this... Oh, shit. She's in bed. You can't pick up the bed while she's in it, dumbass. I think the cool parts about this game that a lot of people are going to miss is that you can fully customize it how you want it to be. But with AI these days, and they even have a render for textures in the game. So, like, if you wanted to just say... hey, make my clothes have all cats, you can do that. It's built into the game. If GTA, the new GTA, has even, you know, like 40% of the customization this has, it's going to be quite amazing. Okay, so there we go. So now we've got that. We've got a kitty over here, but I want to put a cat on the bed. And I think I want to put a cat on the desk too. So we're going to do 3D print, and then let's say, back to here, laying on a bed. And then let's go back to here and say, sitting on a desk. Huh. Oh man, look at that. That's a good one. This is more realistic though. Oh, a Greygway. I got 2 Greygways outside that are strays. That's hard choices. Which kitty do we want sitting on our desk and in what pose? I think these are hard poses because how the camera's gonna be. I mean, that's a good pose, but there's a lot of stuff in it. I mean, this is probably one of the better ones. Let's see if this one works. There's a lot of stuff in there, and I'm not sure. Oh, what a pretty boy. Okay, so now let's try this guy. If this, I mean, this technology was out for Rainbow Six quite a while ago, but we didn't have AI back then, so it was really hard to, if you said, hey, you could upload something, like, there wasn't a lot of things you could just upload yourself, or you're gonna set up like a studio and do the lighting and everything. Like, it wasn't feasible. But now with AI and with access to all of these other things, it's really feasible that I could now take pictures of my animals and put my cats in my virtual world. You put pictures of your family members up on the wall in your world now. I need to go flip my burger. Okay, so now we've got our kitty. So we do the same thing. We put him down. We hold Alt. Oops. My game, I don't know if it's my setup, but my game often locks up. Thing is, because I have multiple monitors, and if it happens, I just use the Windows button, and it like pops it out and back in. Okay, so let's make him a little smaller. He's a pretty big boy right now. Okay. He's looking good. Oh shit. Pull the bed out from underneath there. I think that turned out really pretty fancy like. In fact, I think I wanna take a picture. So we're gonna go back. Oh no. No, don't get up. I'm gonna go camera view. Nope. Picture mode. And he could be a little smaller, I guess. I should. Now, I'm not positive, but I think if you go in here and you type CyberAxe, you can get access. You can like download some of these. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can come and you can like download them and then have them in your own world. Like I've got a tail, a horn, a bong, some wings, an axe. So I think if you come and type CyberAxe and then you put it in, I could be wrong. Okay, how do I post? Oh, it doesn't seem like I can just post a picture though. Like it, it won't let me just post. Huh. I'll have to figure that out. Okay, regardless, now we've got our cats, and you can do now. I'll do a different guide for how to put it in your hands and carry them around. But here we go. Thanks for watching. I'm CyberAxe with Outlandishly Crafted. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more, check out the live streams.